Hello, my greats, my grands, and my friends. It's time again to tell you a Grandie story. And I'm here sitting thinking, what are we going to talk about today? How about another one of Grandie's dreams? And look, Grandie's falling asleep. And she starts to have a dream about butterflies. And her dream starts to get weird, and Grandie sees herself as a Grandie butterfly. And she's looking at Grandie Butterfly, and all of a sudden a truck appears. Oh no! What's gonna happen next? The next thing that happens is Grandie starts to fly over mountains. But Grandie, she's flying with her eyes closed. And she sees a truck. Well, does she really? Or are her eyes closed and we see the truck? What's going to happen to Grandie? She gets right in front of the truck. No, Grandie! And as Grandie flies in front of the truck, the great big truck, it starts to blow its horn at Grandie. And Grandie gets so scared, she jumps back and she starts to talk to the truck. And Grandie the Butterfly starts to drive the truck. And they see a restaurant. And they're going to stop for some coffee. Oh, this sounds so good. So Grandie gets some coffee. And then she and the truck, what's happening? They're going down a spiral. Oh my gosh, what's going to be next for them? And they're nearly done falling. And all of a sudden, there's Grandie, and she's leaning against a tree, drinking her coffee. And she looks around, and there's an apple. Look at that apple. Oh my gosh, there's Grandie in the apple, and Grandie starts to dance because she's so happy. What can possibly happen? As Grandie's walking, she sees a bird, and it's a Grandie bird. What is Grandie doing with the birds? She doesn't know what's going on. And she starts to laugh because it's a Grandie bird. And then she realizes A is for apple. It's a Grandie apple. And B is for bird. It's a Grandie bird. Oh my gosh. Grandie realizes this is a dream about the ABCs. It's an alphabet dream. And the next thing Grandie knows, Grandie Cat shows up. It's a C for cat. So you have A for Grandie apple, B for Grandie bird, and C for Grandie cat. What else could possibly happen? There's a D, a Grandie dog. So now we have an A for Grandie apple, a B for Grandie bird, a C for Grandie cat, and a D for the sad little Grandie dog. Oh, and there we go again into the little twirling scene, and everybody's twirling down the funnel. Now what's going to happen? And we're psychedelic again. But we know we're near the end. But Grandie's going to miss her friends. And all of a sudden, Grandie's back taking her nap. Oh, Grandie, that was a silly dream. That's the end of Grandie's dream. Oh, my gosh, what is that next to Grandie? How did the Grandie Butterfly get here? That was supposed to be a dream. Oh my gosh! There's Grandie Cat and Grandie Dog and Grandie Apple and Grandie Bird, all with Grandie Butterfly. But wasn't that supposed to be a dream? Grandie's a little confused, but she's going to make her new Grandie pets her friends. So good night all from Grandie. Till next time, Grandie loves you, my greats, my grands, and my friends. Talk to you all later and love you a lot.